What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. On today's menu, we'll be cooking up some Jamaican style rice and peas. So guys, let's get started. So guys, here I have my peas. I soaked this overnight to make the cooking time less. You're gonna soak it so it cooks up a little bit faster. And here I have some garlic, some pimento seeds, some coconut milk, and some salt. So I've drained the water from the peas that I've soaked it in, and I'm going to add it to some fresh water here. And you want to make sure you have enough water to cover the peas and to ensure it has enough to allow it to cook properly. And I'm going to add my garlic, my pimento berries / pimento seeds, anything you want to call them. And a tablespoon of salt. Now I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Now guys, you could use freshly squeezed coconut milk or coconut powder, whichever you have on hand. You could go ahead and use that. Now I'm just going to cover this and allow it to cook. We want this to cook until the peas is soft. Now halfway through the cooking, I'm just going to scrape down the custard from the side of the pot and just check if my peas is halfway cooked, because when it's halfway cooked, then I'm going to add the rest of my seasoning. So this is not ready yet, so we're going to cover it and allow it to cook some more. And if while cooking you realize your water has reduced, you could go ahead and add some more water, preferably boiling water. Because when you add boiling water, you keep the cooking process going. Now my peas is almost cooked, and I'm gonna go in with my seasonings. So over here I have some thyme, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, brown sugar, and some coconut oil. The coconut oil and the brown sugar is optional. You could use butter, and you could just leave the sugar out completely. I like to add a little bit of sugar to mine. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you add sugar to your rice and peas. And I'm just going to go in with this, and I'm going to allow this to boil until the peas is fully cooked and all those flavor has combined together to flavor our rice and peas pot. Meanwhile that is going, I'm going to go ahead and wash up my rice. Today I'll be using some basmati rice. And guys, you want to make sure you wash your rice properly. Wash it at least 4 to 5 times or until the water runs semi-clear. And guys, a little tip, if you want a more shelly rice, you got to make sure you soak it in some water for maybe half an hour, then drain it, and then it makes for a nice fluffy rice as well. Because there you washed out most of the starch. Now it's time to add my rice to my pot. And this smells amazing, by the way, guys. So Guys, as I mentioned before in a previous video I made, to every cup of rice we need 2 cups of water. So if you have 3 cups of rice, you need 6 cups of water. So just do the maths, and that way you won't overcook your rice or have rice porridge. So guys, I'm just going to give this a stir and get the peas and the rice fully mixed together. And then I'm going to cover it and lower my heat because I know I have just enough water in it. So I'm just going to cover it and simmer on low heat. After about 20 to 25 minutes, this is what my rice be looking like. And guys, I personally do not like to see the cooked scallion and the thyme in my rice. So I'm going to remove them. Let me know if you remove them or you just let them stay in yours. I don't like it, so I'm going to remove it. And guys, look at that nice, fluffy, shelly rice and peas, guys. And after I finish removing all those nicks and knacks from my rice, I'm just going to cover it and allow it to steam for additional 5 minutes. And then guys, there you have it. A beautiful, nice, fluffy, flavorful rice and peas up and ready. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you like to have your rice and peas with. And that's it, beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button. Turn on the post notification bell that says all so you never miss any of my upload. And let me know down in the comment section what you think about this recipe. And also, if you try this recipe, tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen and let me know how your rice and peas turned out. Until then, my beautiful people, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.